Hi guys, this is all about Panda Security.
Hey! Justice is
When you think about Panda, what do you think about?
about to be served. We'll have two justice.
Lens here, and in this video I'll be talking more about this internet protection software which is called Panda Security. And you can visit the link in the video description and it will take you to this page right here. I'm telling you, there are nothing to worry about when it comes to your internet security, internet shopping, surfing the net, and using your computer in general. And we have real-time antivirus protection, we have safe online shopping and banking, the blocking of dangerous websites, and the list goes on. In comparison to all of the other internet security program, I am telling you, what they are stating here is that Panda is above all else. Yes, we know that some of these other internet software are that good. So that is why this brings me to Panda Security. In this video, I'll be just reviewing this software. I'll be breaking it down into pieces. And when I break this down into pieces, you will be able to see if this is the best choice for you. Some of the features that are listed here: antivirus protection for firewall, and we're talking about Windows, we're talking about for Mac and also Android. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now, I choose to use a computer that need a virus protection software, as I have this Avast here, which is the free version. So when you go through your checkout and whatever to download the software, you will get to this download page here, and you just want to click download for whatever version you want, if it is for iOS, Android, or Mac, or Windows. So you want to click download. When it is finished downloading, you want to open the folder. You want to start the installation process, and by doing so you just continue, and it will continue to install the necessary installation that is needed. As you can see, NetFrame 4.6 setup is needed for this to install. So it's very simplified. So what you need to do here is to just accept and install. And okay guys, so installation is complete. So now we can just click finish or open now. I am going to open the software and I am going to see what is taking place. And this is the layout of the software, and I actually like the design of it so far. We can see scan, antivirus, VPN, my devices, support. So there's a menu bar at the top here, at my account, my products, my device settings, and so forth and so on. Also, you can log into your account over here, and you can also check to see what needs your attention. Cool. And when you scroll, there are some other features here: USB protection, process monitor, and also rescue kit. So I just entered my code. It is now valid for 1 year. And as you can see, it is saying that your PC is protected, right? So far, I'm loving it. I am going to just go and do a scan. Well, you can see 3 different functions here. And one says critical areas, one says full scan, one says custom scan. I want to do what is recommended, as you can see here, but I am going to do a full scan for now. Normally these things would take time, and I am going to do the scan for now, and I am going to see if there are any virus or anything on top of this. There is a free version of Avast here, and it is actually saying that I am protected. So if it happens that that is the case, and I just say if it happens that I found virus here, I'll be definitely uninstalling this free version of Avast. So I'm going to leave this to scan, and I'm going to come back and see if we detect any virus or any sort of issues. Okay guys, I am actually surprised to see that 4 viruses are there, right? You can see 4 detected there, and the scanning is now at 81%. Well, what I want to say is that this computer is a computer that is in our studio, and its only music is on this computer, and also few software as well. So I am not expecting to see any virus whatsoever or any detection of anything. But however, as I stated, I have a free virus protection software on this computer, and I was just thinking that, maybe, because not much of interaction we are doing with this computer anyway. But however, I love what I'm seeing, and I'll be keeping Panda Dome. So this is the thing. The link will be in the video description, and I encourage you to visit the link, check the website out, read it thoroughly. As I stated, as you can see here now, it is completed, and for detected, I am going to show the details to see the full report and to see what kind of things that we're dealing with here. And we can see potentially unwanted detected PUP genetic, and more than one of them. We can see hacking tool there, and I was in Mozilla Firefox app data in my computer there. And also I have this software as well. It's an adware cleaner that was detected there as well. Those are what it actually found. So I can see that there are about 3 viruses there that was neutralized. So again, I highly recommend this software. It's doing a great job. And what I'll be doing, you can also clean your PC as well. What I'll be doing, I will be definitely scanning this again, critical areas. So guys, I'm Lens, and with this software, trust me, you want to check this one out. The link is in my video description there, so do so now. And subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below if you have questions or comment. Like this video and also share this video on social media. I am out, and thanks again. And also thanks to pandasecurity.com. Thanks to the staff there for giving me this opportunity as well to test this one out. It was a nice test run for me. And continue the good work. Continue to make us this sort of software that will help us to be protected as we surf the net, as we use our flash drive, as we do internet banking, and so on. So again, I'm out.